This is the fault current 3-phase interactive calculator, which calculates fault currents and impedances for 3-phase electrical systems. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: fault current from voltage and impedance, fault current from transformer rating, system impedance from known fault current, available fault current at distance, total fault current with motor contribution, and total system impedance from components. For this demonstration, I'm using fault current from voltage and impedance. The input fields include line-to-line voltage in volts, system impedance in ohms, transformer kVA rating, secondary voltage, impedance percent, XR ratio, measured fault current in amps, utility fault current in kiloamps, system voltage, cable length in feet, cable impedance in ohms per 1,000 feet, total motor HP, motor contribution factor, utility impedance, transformer impedance, and cable impedance. Let me walk through a calculation. With line-to-line voltage at 10 volts and system impedance at 10 ohms, clicking Calculate gives us a fault current of 1 amp, which converts to 0.00 kiloamps. These low values result from the test inputs, but demonstrate how the calculator processes the fundamental relationship between voltage and impedance to determine fault current. This tool helps engineers verify protection device ratings and ensure electrical safety compliance. Find the link in the description below.